this week, today's the 23rd, 22nd, whatever. We have a pedestal sink and a toilet in the guest bathroom. We got those light fixtures last week. Got screens on the windows. Got that last week. But we have countertops. They're all covered, but that's okay. You can see the backsplash. All around. And we got a sink. Nice and deep. Very big sink. Very exciting. Got a handle on the door over here. Backyard still looks the same. There's the kitchen.